Hey guys, it's Monique back with another vlog, and today I'm basically walking a few trails, moderate, a little more than moderate. Okay guys, so I'm not struggling yet, I just began, but this little hiking trail has difficulty levels, and I'm not sure which one I'm in yet because I'm just walking down the street, but we're gonna see today. Just want to do a little vlogging. Oh man, I love Sundays. Just time to relax and just think and get my mind ready for the work week. Alright, so I did get a Chromebook laptop for my anniversary, but we gotta trade it in for a different laptop since it doesn't match my Adobe editing software. So if you guys have any, ideas of good laptops at a decent price, please drop it in the comments. DM me on Instagram, Motown757. Just let me know, because I'm not trying to really spend too much yet. I'll invest, but I'll invest more when I'm invested in. So yeah, just drop down in the comments. Tell me what's a good laptop to get. Alright, I'll catch you guys when I am really hiking. So you guys, I finally am on a trail. About to get over this. Woo! But I should have got me a map. So I'm headed back to the little main center to get me a map because I want to try a difficult trail, even though this is my first time here. I love a challenge. So I'm just walking around by all these trees and leaves, and the wind is blowing. My boyfriend was like, "Don't trip." I'm not gonna trip. All right. This is like a red trail. It's like one of the easiest trails. So you can see. So walking along. You guys are coming with me. I don't know how I feel about vlogging, get a little nervous. But it's just your daily life and what you're doing, so I get used to it. Alright. I just tripped. Alright, so I'm gonna catch you guys when I go ahead and get a map. Peace. Alright guys, I got my map and I am on the high dune trail. It's like a moderate level trail. So let's begin this journey. Alright. So yesterday I watched the Hate U Give movie and it was amazing. If you have not seen it, you should go see it. It's basically, about Black Lives Matter and how, I'm not going to say all police, I'm going to say some police, they shoot and ask questions later. There were some sad scenes, of course, but it was a really good watch. I couldn't wait to see it. So if you guys haven't seen it, go see it. And put down in the comments some good movies I should go check out. Because I love going to the theaters. Whether it's by myself or with a buddy. Oh man, look at let's hope I don't get lost on the way back. Walking down. See, walking down. I don't know what made me come here today, but I've always wanted to come, so I decided to. Alright, I'm gonna catch you guys back when I'm done. Look at this nature. Nature everywhere. Nature! Look what I have to walk up, you guys. Alright, let me tell you about the High Dune Trail. 0.3 miles. It's a light yellow blaze. The highest point of the short trail is a great spot to see and hear woodpeckers. The trail goes over and through an ancient dune ridge. Alright, let's look at me climb this. Oh gee, I haven't worked out in months. I gotta get my life together. I should come here at least once a week. Alright, I'm gonna sit down and take a little break, even though I really don't need one. I don't know, this is nice. Peaceful, have time just to think to myself. Alright, let's have a quick life discussion. Alright, let's say you're not where you want to be in life. Whose fault is that? Are you trying your best? Are you job searching every day? Are you going out to get that degree? Are you starting up that business you always wanted to create? Or are you just complaining about it like most people? Coming home from work, going to bed, waking up, doing it all over again, complaining each day, oh, I want a better life, oh, I want a better life. Or are you doing the best you can do? Because where you are now in life is not where you could be. So I could actually take my own advice. But you know, I try to make each day better. Start each day with a smile on my face. You know, just don't give up. Like if it's something you want to do, just take small little steps, make little goals for yourself, and like complete them, do it. Go travel, start your own business, create your own work schedule so you don't have to clock in for anyone. Be your own boss, live your own life. Smile each day. Don't worry about what the haters say, nay. Live your life for you and don't worry about anyone else. Don't let anyone put their drama in your life. So, yeah, okay, now I see red. So I'm on a different trail. Up this little thing. Hear birds chirping. Hey, this is nice. I'm coming in this little walk soon. It's been nice, but I don't want to get too far from where I need to be. I see little squirrels rolling around. But this is nice. Wonder if my family will come with me. Nope. Definitely good exercise. Working out my legs. I need to get back into my Thai bow workouts. All of those. That's what I should do. At least 30 minutes after work. Change my eating habits. Look at that little goal I made for myself. Let's see if I'm gonna make it happen. Just do it, just do it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog today of me walking around the trails, talking to you guys about life, about us making our lives better. Alright, if you all like this vlog, drop a like, comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!